What's good, y'all? It's your girl Diva B, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, as you all can see, your girl is doing some knotless braids, and these shits are flat as fuck, I must say. Okay, so I won't get to too much talking, but I hope you all are doing so well, and I pray you all have a wonderful fresh start to your new year. Okay, so let's pretty much get into this video. I am doing small knotless butt length rainbow braids. Okay, so this particular service took me I want to say maybe 14ish 15 hours, maybe. I can't really remember. Maybe 15 hours, but excuse me. But yeah, y'all already know I take my motherfucking time, okay? Like, I literally am a surgeon on my client's head, for real. Like, my parts got to be crisp. I mean, my parts got to be so motherfucking straight. You see them bitches like lining up a mile away, okay? Like the first when you see my client walk past you, the first thing that's going to catch your eye off top, besides the braids, because that's just a no-brainer, is going to be the parts. It's the parts for me. It's the parts for me. So right here, I have saturated my section for braiding, and I'm just taking it in 3. And I'm starting off braiding at the root. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my braiding hair. I do not count the pieces of hair I put in. I pretty much get a feel of each braid, and I go from there.
It's fake kills.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me, I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me out, let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Low. I tell them coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So you think them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. So you think them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright. There you go. When I ride a bumble,
It's fake kills.
one time. Yeah. Standard.
One time. She's got to be
Lego.
passing the prime. Them girls, them are come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell them me them go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me hard and see. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me hard and see. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Butty, baby. VQs, mix and mix it, yeah, no. Leg up. Original Batman.
It's VQs.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl a coming on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so, put the thing upon me thing, whine it pon me thing so. I say she whine it pon me hard. Man I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it pon me hard. Man I step in at the yard, make the girls them say I ain't a bad man, I they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Original Batman. African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live night. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to say I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me thing so. Whine it pon me girl, say she whine it pon me thing so. Move your body pon me thing and whine it pon me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it pon me thing so. I ain't a bad man, I they want to say I. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Or you can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire.
It's VQs.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake kills.
Standard.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to myself, only make them. They got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. Àwọn tèmi wọ́n gbọ́ mi, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they hating on me, make the carry go. Pon me radio, every day they play me pon me radio. Then they feel me, anytime they see me pon the video. They want to see when me chillin' pon me yard and me sitting on a low key. Shake pussy, man a bad man, they can try this. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay.
Now, I did not film this entire service because I have like 50,000 other Knotless videos already on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to film just a little snippet of this because this in particular was so, like, these colors together was so fucking cute. So I had to show it off on YouTube for a second, but I'm gonna be bringing some new shit into the new year. It's pretty much why I haven't really been on YouTube, because I haven't really been doing no new shit like that. Same old, same old. So I really didn't want to just make my YouTube all about the same videos. You feel what I'm saying? So any other content you all have been wanting to see, please check out my Instagram. I have been on there pretty much all this year. But as far as my YouTube channel, I'll be coming hard, coming strong when the new year come in. So just comment down below, y'all, what videos you all would like to see, because that'll actually help me to push out more content into my YouTube specifically for you all, okay? I love you all so much. Oh, and before I go, check out these flat ass motherfucking flawless ass braids. You see it. You see it. All right. I love y'all again.
You said no, 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 no. You say yeah, yeah, yeah. Original
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her when she gone low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low.